Hi guys, today we have a fill in the blank quiz with much or many. Alright, now pause the video, try to answer it by yourself, then come back when you have finished. Alright, now the first one. He doesn't spend blank money on luxury items. The answer is much or many. Much money. Why? Because money is uncountable noun. Alright, we use much for uncountable noun. Okay? Next, there weren't blank moments in the film that genuinely surprised me. Okay, the keyword here is moments. Moments are countable noun. We can count moment. Alright, so the answer is many. We use many for countable noun. Alright, got it? Next, she has achieved blank success in her career. The keyword here is success. Success, uncountable or countable noun? It is uncountable noun. Alright, so we use much. Much success. Next, how blank of your friends have visited that place? Okay, much or many. The keyword here is your friends. Your friends. Friends are countable noun. We can count friends, alright? So we use many. Next, there wasn't blank traffic on the way to work this morning. Traffic. The keyword here is traffic. Traffic, countable or uncountable noun? Traffic is uncountable noun. Alright? So, we use much. Correct. We use much. Next, the professor didn't provide blank guidance on how to approach the assignment. Alright, the keyword here is guidance. Guidance is countable or uncountable? It is uncountable noun. Alright, so we use much here. The professor didn't provide much guidance on how to approach the assignment. Next, he doesn't show blank interest in participating in social events. Alright, the keyword here is interest. Interest is uncountable noun. Alright, so we use much, right? We use much. He doesn't show much interest in participating in social events. Next, how blank of the ingredients do we still need to buy for the recipe? Alright, the keyword here is ingredients. Now it's your turn to answer. Is it many of the ingredients or much of the ingredients? Alright, let me know in the comment below. And remember, much is followed by uncountable noun and many is followed by countable noun. You need to remember this, alright? If you find this video useful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.